Hello, good day. Welcome to the 1-minute astrophotography tutorial. In this video, we're going to talk about plate solving in N.I.N.A. Plate solving is essential for serious astrophotography. We will be using ASTAP to be our plate solver. Well, let's get into it. First, you have to download a few things. Go to ASTAP website, link below. Download the right version for your Windows. Go back and download H18 database as well. Once it's finished downloading, open ASTAP setup and install ASTAP. Then install H18 star database as well. Once that is all done, go to N.I.N.A, go to Options, Plate Solving. Make sure your plate solver is ASTAP. Under Plate Solver Settings, click ASTAP and choose Location of ASTAP software. Leave everything else to default. Now go to Sequence. Make sure you turn on Slew to Target and Center Target. This will make sure that before each sequence, N.I.N.A will plate solve and make sure that the target is at center. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please subscribe.